I'm a huge fan of having chocolate for breakfast, so I put it in pretty much everything, especially this smoothie. I love having this smoothie in the wintertime because it's full of antioxidants, but also because it has a lot of warming spices to it. So it's great for those cool mornings and keeping that digestive system warm. But the star of this smoothie is totally the acai powder. I love acai powder because it is so rich in antioxidants, and I'm going to tell you more, but let's just get this smoothie started. So first up, I have a little bit of cashew milk. You can use coconut, almond, hemp, macadamia, whatever you want, throw it in there. You could also even heat the milk up before if you wanted to have a warm smoothie, but for today, I just kept it normal room temperature. So like I said, we're all about the acai powder. Now this is so beautiful. If I can just show you guys, it's this beautiful rich color, and it gets its color from the powerful antioxidant known as anthocyanins. So anthocyanins are amazing for helping reduce any type of free radicals in the body. So I know I talk a lot about free radicals, but it's because we want to be having lots of antioxidants, because free radicals are actually going to be promoting disease, promoting aging. So it's really, really important to be having that. So I just follow the amount that's on the label there. So I got this, oh, and look how pretty it turns. You'll be able to see it after. So I actually got this Brazil acai powder from Coforia. They sent me this to try it out, and I've absolutely been loving adding it into pretty much everything I can and anywhere because of the wonderful antioxidants. But again, the anthocyanins, not only are they helping with the free radicals, they're also helping with your heart health, they're helping with your cognitive function. And if you're wondering what the heck is cognitive function, all you nutritionists say it all the time, well, it just has to do with having a healthy brain. So when it comes to you, as you get aging, it actually helps to slow the degeneration of your brain and improving the function and memory. But if you're not in that aging category yet, again, it's still been shown to improve learning and memory recall. So great for anything with anthocyanins. And I love that it's just really easy to pop in. Okay, next up is we're going to be popping in some chocolate, because I promised you this was going to be all about chocolate. And I love the combination of raw cacao powder, aka the purest form of chocolate, and the acai. It's just a really wonderful combination. Now I really love cacao, so I'm going to add a big scoop in there. And remember, I've actually popped the full recipe in the caption below, so just take a peek there. Next up is we're throwing in some ginger, because now that it's the fall season here in Canada, we want to be keeping our digestive system warm with warming spices. So that's why I'm using some ginger. So I kind of just like to put 2 little small scoops of ginger in there, because again, keeps your digestive system happy. If you have any digestive issues, please make sure to avoid any really cold things. Okay, and then next up is we're going to be putting in a banana. Now, I know some people don't love bananas, or they might have an allergy to bananas or an intolerance. You can always be putting in some fresh avocado in it as well, because it's another way to make it really creamy without using a banana. So feel free to use avocado if you don't have a banana on hand. And then next up, I'm throwing in just a little bit of coconut oil. Get that in there, because again, coconut oil has some medium chain triglycerides, which are healthy fats that your body immediately uses for energy. So this is a brand new thing of honey, and obviously I did not open it up, and I should have. There we go. That would have been bad. Anyways, let's put in a little bit of honey. So you can be using maple syrup if you want to be making this vegan. If you want to be making this more of a low carb option, you can be using some monk fruit extract. That's really wonderful to be including. So we got all of our ingredients? Yes, we did. I just wanted to double check, because you never know. Oh, but I do need the lid. So I'm just gonna pop the lid on there. There we go. And we're just gonna turn this on real quick. All right, there we go. And I love having this in the morning because it's really full, packed full of different nutrients, so that I'm able to stay focused throughout the morning. But this again would be great to be having for your workout or anything like that. So you can see that because of the chocolate and the acai, it's a really wonderful combination of a rich brown. So again, guys, if you have any questions, pop in the comments below. And remember, if you want to get $10 off, you can just use KD10 at Coforia to get your acai powder. Bye, guys.